this Flame Piece remote control car by Zero. You can put your GoPro on it. That's exciting. Here's what the remote control looks like. Let's go ahead and open it. Here's our instructions. So here it is. I love it. Who said girls can't play with cars? So we have our remote control, our pieces, our battery and our charger, and our instructions guide. Let's go ahead and put the battery in and test it outside. So here it is, guys. Let's go ahead and test it out. Zero for sending me this. I love it. I'm going to keep on playing. Thank you so much for watching, guys.